Hello, I'm Jessica, an e-learning specialist, and I'm here to show you how to merge and center your cells in Excel. So if we look over here, we can see I've created an Excel worksheet, which by the way talks about the specifications and limits within Excel. And a lot of people do ask how many characters can you put in a cell, and the answer is 255. But let's say that I want to merge some here, and I'm going to want them centered. So the real quick and easy, there's this button up here in the Home tab, and if I click that, it's going to center them. But it's also about to basically delete this one here, and it's only going to keep the cell on the far upper left. So you'll see now it just says Open Workbooks. All right, I Controlled Z to get back to where I was, so I can show you a couple more ways to do this. Another thing, if I do a lot of cells together and I try to just do that plain merge and center, it's still going to just get that top one. But let's say that I really want to merge across. Real easy. Under Merge and Center, you're going to see the option to merge across. And while it's still only going to keep the values in the left-hand side, it's going to go through them one at a time, which is nice. It's going to do them individually, so I don't actually just lose everything. I get to keep each row, which is great. So Merge and Center up here on the Home tab, lots of different ways to do it. And just to answer the question ahead of time, when I unmerge the cells, no, I don't get that data back. So they're now new cells, but the data is gone. So there you have it, how to merge and center in Excel. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you got some great tips. Thanks a lot.